Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and my name is Sabrina and I'll be with you throughout this video. So during our New Year's holiday we took a short trip to Lushoto. Lushoto is a district located in Tanga region in the country of Tanzania. Hope you all will enjoy this video and let's get started. Okay, so we just finished at the Irante View Cliff launch, and right now we are going to see the waterfall. Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you like it there? Yeah, she did. We all loved it there. The view was amazing. Anang'ata?
Angati.
Kata mimi nikibeba una shida.
Haina shida.
Akining'ata.
Angati.
Nakufuata wewe.
Kucha zake tu hizo hapo angati.
Karina. Wow. Okay, so we just got to our second destination, and that's the Waterfalls. Towards the waterfall, we have this small little pathway. Let's do it. It's so pretty. It has trees like surrounding the area. waterfalls. Did you like them? If you did, make sure to subscribe and like the video. The waterfalls were honestly amazing, but the hassle is to go back because the pathway to the waterfalls is around 700 meters. So like you're testing your skills, fitness, what am I saying? But yeah, apart from visiting the waterfalls, you actually get to do some hiking, so it's like 2 in 1. This place. Okay, so I also wanted to talk about the fees of visiting this place. Basically, if you're a resident of Tanzania, it's 2,000 Tanzanian shillings, which is equivalent to around $1.5. And if you're not a resident of Tanzania, you'll have to pay $10. The difference is quite intense, honestly, but yeah, at the end of the day, I think it's worth it. And this is Muller's. Basically, the short story about this place is that like the owner of this place, like this house built for that one, like it was a German man who built these 2 houses, who got married to a Tanzanian woman, and basically they had children, and obviously the German man has passed away with the wife, and the people who run this place now are the children. And the son, who was mixed, passed away last year, and the wife is still alive, and she's the one who's trying to run this place. It's somewhat complicated because she's already, like, you know, she's already pretty old. I don't want to say old, but yeah, and she's the one who's trying to like run this place. It's very beautiful here. Found one pear. I got attacked by the tree. Anyways, we found a pear that was actually like ripe, and it tastes good. It's small though, but it's good. This is an apple tree. I don't know if you can see the apples, but those are like apples. Honestly, this place is like giving me European vibes, because like you have so many plants that usually, you know, don't grow here in Tanzania, but you can find them here. We literally saw roses there and other flowers that usually just don't grow in the rest of them, you know. And then you have this amazing house, which is like really nice and cool, and it's just like in this German style, definitely not in Tanzanian style.